Give me your wallet and keys.
Okay, but first, pick a card.
Okay.
Now put it back in the deck.
Anywhere?
Anywhere. Okay. Now check his pocket.
No.
Is that your card?
Shut up!
my
Shut
God.
up!
Oh,
No!
my
Oh my God!
God.
He's like David
That's
Blaine!
amazing.
He's like David Blaine!
Whoa.
Yeah! Okay.
Now give me your wrist.
What did you do?
Missing something?
Oh! That's my wedding ring!
dog.
How did you get that?
Now where are your guns?
Right here. My guns are... Whoa. This isn't my gun. This is a flower.
Now hand me your beanie.
Okay. What?
Now give me your wallets.
Wait, huh?
Come on,
Wait.
cough them up. Give them to me. Show's over. Show is over. Move it along. Move it along. You lucky I don't charge you admission. Jeez.